Hello everyone. Today I will discuss my one of the most performing campaign for today. That is the service of mortgage loan service. So look at that. That is my result right now. I spend almost the $25 per day, and my result today is the line leads I can collect it, and my total every lead cost is 2.79 cents. It is too much low because you know that the mortgage loan service lead cost is very much high, like the 15 to $20 per lead. So I got only 2.79 cents per lead. So that is a huge victory for me. And just figure out what kind of campaign setup and what is the total campaign strategy for this campaign. So look at that. First of all, I just write my campaign name, and the second one, and look at that. I just use my daily budget only the $25, and that is the our special category services like the housing. So that's why I can select the housing, and my targeted location is USA, and that is my campaign level setup. And look at that, our ad set level setup. So our ad set level setup almost very similar for the Meta currently algorithm. So look at that, I can use the interest based audience and plus the suggestion means the custom audience. So that is our location. Our location is only website, and our performance goal is maximum number of conversation and the data set and the lead. And look at that, our location targeting. I just figure out our location, the Philadelphia American, and look, that is our suggestion. Also the video view, also the custom audience. Look at that. So previously I ran a huge number of campaigns. So this campaign, what kind of people, the video view, the 25% to 95%, the 30 second to 15%, the Instagram page video viewers, like the 95% people, 35% to 15% people, and that 25% to 95% people. So this kind of audience I suggest on my algorithm. Also I can suggest you the last 6 months and last 180 days, what kind of people just page view in my website. So this is our suggestion or custom audience. And I figure out, I noted that I also use some keywords like the first time home buyers, the home equity, the home equity loan, the mortgage loan, the Zillow, this type of so this type of interest and this type of demographic I can figure out on the Meta algorithm. And look at that, you don't change your S or your gender, because that is for a Meta special category, and special category you have some limitation. So that's why you don't change that. And also look at that, our placement or only the Facebook and Instagram. And also just look at that, what kind of ad I can use it. So just go to the ad set under. I can use the almost 6 ad right now, and look at that, I can figure out the last 40 days. So look at that. So these 2 ads just performing very well, but this almost 4 ad don't performance very well, and just dollar burn for me. So that's why I can of this kind of type of content, and right now I just use only 2 ads right now. So look at that, this ad performing very well, and this content is only just a very simple post, but I can use that minimum. So I have the maximum data for my pixel. So that's why this campaign is very much good. So look at that, almost the overall result is the $5 per lead, but our yesterday result is very much good. Our total the every list cost is only 2.61 cent. So that's a very good result for me, and I hope you can understand that what kind of setup you can done, so you can get the better result. So that's why it's for today, guys. And you have any question for me, so you just knock me on my WhatsApp, on my messenger. It's for today, guys. I hope you can understand that. So thank you.